Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Read the text aloud slowly to hear spelling errors and awkward word forms. Pause between clauses and listen for unfamiliar sounds and rhythms. Look for common error patterns such as doubled letters, transposed letters, and silent letters. Check prefixes and suffixes to confirm word families and grammatical agreement. Use context clues from surrounding sentences to decide which word fits logically. Mark suspicious words with a consistent symbol or color to prioritize corrections later. This first step reduces random guessing and improves your chance to correct the right word efficiently. Open a reliable dictionary app or physical dictionary to verify suspected words. Use your spell check tool, but treat suggestions as guidance rather than absolute answers. Apply mnemonic rules such as I before E when not following a consonant, remembering common exceptions. Consult lists for frequently misspelled words and learn their correct forms actively. Pay attention to homophones because spell check may not catch context errors. Combine rule knowledge with tool support to make consistent, accurate corrections every time you proofread written content. Create short practice drills that target your recurring misspellings for 3 to 5 minutes daily. Use targeted word lists and spaced repetition to commit correct spellings into long-term memory. Proofread in stages and focus on spelling separately from grammar and style to avoid cognitive overload. Read backwards by sentence or word to isolate spelling problems efficiently. Learn commonly confused pairs and write each word in a simple sentence to anchor meaning. Over time, these preventative habits will reduce errors and speed up your editing workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.